everyone, welcome back to my channel, Destination Lifestyle, where dining, eating, shopping, traveling, and indigo tales are gonna be shared to you only in this channel. Today, I'm gonna share with you my collection, which has accumulated to about 7 belts from Louis Vuitton, which I'm trying to mix and match between the buckles and each belt to get that more than 40 looks. Some people, when it comes to choosing a certain item from the brands that they like, most people I think would go for the bag. Because the bag I think is going to be the first item that really correlate your definition of fashion. And some people, they also invest in watches of all brands. And others, including me, I also have a liking to unique pair of shoes, like this for example. But one thing that I really enjoy, if you can see from my collection, I can never resist the beauty of a unique piece of rare belt. And this one is from Louis Vuitton. It's the Louis Vuitton crystal belt, which I think is quite rare these days. Now what I'm gonna do today is to try to mix and match the 7 buckles from the 7 belts that I have. I'll try to create a combination, and to my surprise it comes to over 40 looks that I can get from these 7 belts from Louis Vuitton. So tell me in the comments below which is your favorite belt, because on each section I'm gonna write the name of the item, and let me know if I'm making the right combination and which one is gonna be your favorite. By far my Louis Vuitton belt collection. personal opinion, I think for a guy, a piece of belt, a good one, would definitely elevate the fashion sense in a person. If you like this video, please leave your comments below, give it your 2 thumbs up, like the video, share the videos, and of course don't forget to click that subscribe button. Your subscription really matters. Your support I truly appreciate. Until I see you in the next video, bye bye.